Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, the northern elder, Astaku and Tinubu, Usman Yusuf has come and tackle Tinubu. Said that Tinubu renewed hope has turned to hopelessness. That you see the country now that in a week's time, that's May 29, Tinubu will start coming out with fake promises and whatnot, and what they've not done, propaganda and lies. What can you say to this?
He's a man that lacked information and he could not regurgitate what happened in the past. He's a northern elder that is bent on their Islamic, ideology. You know what happened? He's trying to rebuke Tinubu, forgetting that Tinubu continued from where Buhari stopped. When Buhari was there as a president, where was this man that is talking nonsense to Tinubu? Does he think that we are fools? Tinubu is Buhari, Buhari is Tinubu. And they are the problem that Nigeria have today. Nigeria, Fulani Hausa, they have rubbish Nigeria. Now Hausa is advising me not to mix both names, Fulani and Hausa together. When Fulani can speak good Hausa, more than Hausa. Where is Fulani? Where is Hausa when Fulani started occupying their land, instilling their rubbish religion on them, and change the whole Hausa that are Christians and turn all of them into Muslim? Hausa, you think so low. Hausa man is thinking so low. Their brain is too down. I don't know why a group of people could at least be suffering from Down syndrome. Now they are waking up. You are telling me to call you Hausa, that Fulani is the one. I know it's Fulani. You don't know me more than you. I know you. You allow Fulani to settle in your land since 18th century, 200 and something years now. Fulani has taken over the whole north. And when they commit all their dastard acts, you want me to say it's Fulani? You are the one. They speak your language. They give you their religion. You allow it because you like meat. Very, very docile and complacent people. Now, an elder from the north that doesn't know his left from right is talking nonsense about Tinubu's regime. When Buhari was there, as a Nigerian president, why did this man come out and rebuke Buhari? You guys in the north there, you think your senses are better. You are the one that know more than other Nigerians. That man should go and rebuke Buhari first. He must go to Daura, rebuke Buhari. When you rebuke Buhari, come and rebuke Tinubu. Bed of same feather. What is good for the goose is also good for the ganders. What are we saying? You did not rebuke Buhari. Now you are rebuking Tinubu. What is different from Tinubu? The difference between Tinubu and the Buhari, they are the same. So that's why I always call these Hausas. Sorry, Fulani. Fulani, they are low mentality people. Hausa people are very bright. They are beautiful people. They are amiable people. Very, very friendly. More friendly than any other tribe in the north. Hausa people are good. But they allow themselves to be overused. Many years, 2 centuries, more than 2 centuries, by foreigners from Futajelo Island, Senegambia. Overthrow you, exploit you, overuse you, instill emirates, become emir, that is the king, in your land. And you always carry him on your back, on your head. The emir will sit down on the head. Hausa man will carry the emir. Emir, a Fulani man. Become emir. Hausa man will carry him on the head. They will turn you to slaves. Mumumugu. Now you want me to say, Hausa is good, I know. But why did you turn yourself to Mugu? Slavery Mugu. Slavery Mugu. Fulani man will mat on your head, on his chair. Royal chair. Hausa man will carry the other stick on the shoulder. The other stick on the shoulder. 2 persons here. 2 persons at the back. 4 Hausa man will carry only 1 Fulani on the head. Now you want Igbo man to talk good about you. Oga, we are not like that. We are saying the truth. Bring back, even traditional religion is better than that Islam. That Fulani came with. The jihadists called Osman and Fodio. That killed the Hausas, overwhelmed them, and instilled their religion in the north. And turn you to slave. Hausa Mugu. See, let me tell you. That man that is talking about Buhari should remember, about Tinubu, should remember that Buhari gave birth. A Fulani president gave birth to Yoruba president called Tinubu. So I would like the Hausa man to rebuke Buhari first before he could.
You were talking about the difference between the Hausa and the Fulani.
Yeah, you know. So after pressing these people down, instilling their religion on them, they exploited them, they killed them, they maimed them. See, the Hausas were largely decimated by these Fulani people. Over the years, they have succeeded on intimidating the Hausa. Currently, as I'm talking to you, the whole emirs in the north are Fulani. The whole emirs. The Sultan of Sokoto is a Fulani man. The whole royal position, the whole political dynasty that is working, dynasties in the north are headed by the Fulanis. So why is Hausa this down? Anyway, they have begun, to wake up, to make sure that they take their land back from their visitors, Fulani. And again, what this man is saying to Buhari, to Tinubu, he should have said it earlier to Buhari. Because when Buhari was there, the whole Hausas, they closed their mouth. Based because of that kind of religion, Islam. They could not see anything wrong with Buhari. Now they have come to blame Tinubu. What kind of nonsense is that? When Buhari was there, did Buhari perform? Buhari was doing nonsense. Buhari was a man that is clueless about leadership, delivering good, competent leadership. He's a man without brain, a man without school certificate, was allowed to take control of this country for more than 6 years. He ruled 2 tenure, a brainless man. Now one Fulani low mentality man from north will tell you that Tinubu is not doing well. Oga, that man, I don't know the kind of man he is. But my message to him is that it should relieve all those youths of Arabic ideology, build a school, more rehabilitation center, build higher institution of learning. Take those youths there and make sure that those youths are totally gone through brain reorientation. Listen and listen good. They should study, turn their backs on their religion. Religion has destroyed Fulani man's, Hausa man's mentality in the north. They don't know which way to go again. That man shouldn't have spoken about Tinubu that way. He's a shameless man. I'm not trying to say that Tinubu is doing the right thing. After all, I'm an Igbo man. But what I'm trying to say is that when you see the right thing, you should do it. When you see what is right, do it. Don't turn your back on what is right and face what is wrong. The man could not differentiate between his right hand side and left hand side. That's why I'm scolding him. I'm seriously scolding him. He has not said what he should have said. Blaming Buhari, blaming Tinubu 10 times. He should blame Buhari 200 times. Because Tinubu's regime is an elongation of Buhari's regime. Thank you.
Okay, and sorry, lastly, former aide to Buhari, Loretta Onoche, has come and said that Atiku stepping down for Peter Obi will make it very easy for Tinubu to become president in 2027. But for me, I don't think this is feasible, because Atiku stepping down for Peter Obi, I think that will give Peter Obi more leverage in the northern part of Nigeria. But she has come and said that that's a lie, that if Atiku step down for Peter Obi, that Peter Obi will never become president of Nigeria.
I give you microphone. These are people that rig election for Tinubu and Buhari 2015, 2019, 2023. Rita Onoche is a bloody liar from Delta State. A bloody liar from Delta State. I don't think he has, gone into his political laboratory and at least did some political practices, practical demonstration or work. I mean the woman too well. Yes, he did not. He just woke up and start talking nonsense. That's coalition. That coalition. If two of them are colluded, I think with Kwankwaso, they can go too far. What happened is that Lorito Noche is now doing good work among themselves, working too hard, very, very hard, industriously, assiduously, to make sure that they rig 2027 election. She's sending good message to Nigerians to know how to reposition themselves. Because come 2027, they will rig it again. Even though nobody thumbprint for APC, they will rig it again. Because they have everything at their reach. They are the one that is in control of the whole security apparatus of this country. They have the soldier, the police, and so on and so forth. So they can easily rig it. Then again, Department of Judiciary, the thieves, judges, lawyers in Nigeria that are thieves, 419 judges, bench of judges that presided over last year 2023 presidential tribunal, they are thieves. We've seen how they manipulated that tribunal, that judgment, and gave it to the wrong person. So what we are saying comes 2027 is that Lorito Noche, she has at least repositioned her colleagues well on how to do what? Manipulate 2027 election. 2027 election is here already. And APC, they have started on modalities on how to rig election so competently that we even could not know. So what will be an article should do now is to start doing their at least homework well on how to unseat Tinubu comes 2027, irrespective of what the APC juggernauts, all those APC politicians, all those APC bad eggs are planning to do. They should be planning their own. If it is passing electoral bill, they make sure they should pass electoral bill and let the vote be at least transmitted electronically, not manually. Then they should now begin to work on modalities on how to bring a good independent national electoral commission, INEC chairman, a good man. That is what they are going to plan to do now. It's not just turning their back on Jiga, who is a thief, and Mahmoud Yakubu, who is a thief, of course. If they return Mahmoud there, is going to rig the election again. They should work on whom the cap fits, that will wear that INEC cap, and make sure that they put the cap on such person's head. I think I'm done.
But you talk about Yakubu. There's no way he can leave that position. And secondly, talk about Beavers. Beavers, when Buhari was there, we saw that they didn't use it well. Now Tinubu is there. Now, do you not think they will not do the right thing?
Yes, I think before any election again in Nigeria, if they don't use Beavers, if they don't do it electronically, Nigerians won't go to the poll. There will be no election.
No, they did it, but they didn't do it well.
No, during Yakubu, Mahmoud is an animal from the bush. He's a cattle rearer from the bush, and he tried, and he behaved like a cattle rearer he is. Mahmoud is a cattle rearer. So that's why he reared those animals called Nigerians that don't have sense. And at the end of the day, with his sticks, he controlled his cows, and still his cows agreed with him. You can see that Mahmoud is going free, walking free in Kano State, anywhere, any part of the world, especially Nigeria. And no Nigerian man is questioning him, because Nigerian man in Nigeria here, everybody is a coward. We are cowards. So that's why I think Obi, Atiku, Nigerians should do their homework well and make sure that one idiot from the bush that is rearing cattle will not come out again and head that platform, umpire INEC. And at the end of the day, they will give us butch animalistic results. We are not cows. If we allow a cattle rearer again to be an INEC chairman, I'm telling you that we are going to get cattle results at the end of the day if 2027 election comes.